Quick cheat hack, guys. If this is black, then you need a carbon clean on your vehicle. If you want to know what this part is, how you can find out in less than 5 minutes if you need a carbon clean on your vehicle without taking off your intake manifold, then watch this video from beginning to end and you'll find out how. Yo, what's going on, my YouTube family? How you guys doing? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Welcome to another video. As you guys can see, I'm breaking down our engines piece by piece, bit by bit. I'm trying to give you guys insight on the things that you may overlook. You know, a lot of times when we buy a vehicle, it's supposed to last forever. You know, if you're maintaining your vehicle, it should last a long time. The reason that the vehicles don't last a long time is because a lot of people don't know about these perks and these quirks that hurt our engine if we don't maintenance them and maintain them. Sometimes I even wonder if they're covert, hidden, you know, perks and quirks just so we can maintenance it or eventually buy a new vehicle. So I'm going to tell you guys a part that a lot of people probably do not know about. This part plays a major part in your vehicle, especially if you're cold starting it or you live in a cold weather area. So this is probably one of the issues you're having that you don't know about. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what part this is. So this is called the intake air temperature sensor, and it plays a role very similar to the meth sensor. It's kind of a secondary reassurance for your vehicle, secondary safety net to ensure that your car is performing the best. Kind of like you have your traditional low pressure fuel pump and you have your high pressure fuel pump. So this is kind of the same thing. I would say this is more of the high pressure sensor for your car. So the IAT, which stands for intake air sensor, is responsible for measuring the air temperature and the density so you can achieve the optimum air fuel mixture for any condition. So it kind of gauges the temperature outside and how dense the air is, so it can know exactly how much fuel to shoot. For example, if it's more dense and cool air, it probably won't require that much fuel because it's going to get the boost that it needs. So just to let you guys know a couple of symptoms of a bad IAT, intake air sensor, is your service engine soon light coming on prematurely, hard starts in the morning, the lean codes, and decreased fuel economy. So those are going to be some of the things that you're going to notice when you're having some IAT issues. And also at idle on your car may have noticeable rumbling to your engine, or it won't feel like it did when you first got the vehicle. In addition, it affects your torque and your performance overall because your engine is not getting the proper reading to your car. So the second thing I would say is a really, really cool hack. With the intake air sensor, you can check to see if your car needs a carbon clean because it goes right into the intake manifold. So if you take it out the intake manifold and you have carbon buildup on it, then you need a carbon cleaning. If you take it out the intake manifold and it's clear as day, then you don't need a carbon clean. So this is a quick, easy hack to see if you need a carbon clean so you won't take off your entire intake manifold. Tell me that's not cool. Tell me that's not great. Trust me, prior to me having an oil catch can in my vehicle, this is how I knew when I needed to have a carbon clean in my vehicle. I didn't wait for the performance of my vehicle to lack. I just checked my sensor because it's so simple to go to. You just take 2 Torx screws and just take it right out. And Lord behold, I took it out one day and it was really black. And this is prior to me having my oil catch can. So I definitely recommend the oil catch can. And when it was black, I took off my intake manifold and it was time for a carbon clean. So it's just an easy cheat and an easy hack to find out if you need a carbon clean or not. like I said, I'm going to give you guys the videos and let you guys know about the things that people don't tell you about, the things that you don't hear about, the non-obvious things. For the people who subscribe to this channel, you guys have heard, the basics and, a lot of the performance things. So I'm just really opening up your minds to other things. So if you're having an issue with your vehicle, instead of you having to go to Google and search it, instead of you having to go to a forum, you can just come to Bruce Custom Motors and you can just look at my videos. You can read the comments from all of the great subscribers, and at that point you can get the answer to what you need. I hope everyone liked this video. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching another video. Everyone have a blessed day. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. I'm out.